All right, everybody. Welcome to my channel. I just want look at this. That is fill. Well, the bottom has some leaves on it, you know, some eggshells, some sticks, and I didn't show y'all none of that part because I'm trying to fill up this raised bed from Amazon. Amazon sells raised beds, so you can go out on Amazon, catch you one of these raised beds. It's not bad at all. But I've been filling this up with cow manure, topsoil. And now I'm getting ready to throw some Miracle-Gro on top. Because it's growing season, y'all. Growing season. Gonna throw those plants up in there. And we gonna see what makes it happen. All right, so that's just the upcoming preview. So stay tuned, smash that like button, hit that bell, and subscribe because we got some growing to do, y'all. Raised bed. See what we can grow. Peace.